Apostolic Letter equals removal of all corporate veil protection. Immunity is gone. You cannot hide behind a corporate name any longer. And that's what the lawyers and judges and everyone else have been doing. It was issued motu proprio, which is on one's own impulse, which means it came back from Pope Francis. It wasn't a cardinal voted thing. It wasn't anything. It was straight from the horse's mouth. When people understand the unholy alliance between Rome and London, you got to look at things in a trinity. The court is the product of the union of the ecclesiastical law and admiralty or merchant commerce, law of the high seas law. They're two different entities altogether, but the ecclesiastical law gives the man-made admiralty its spiritual power. And what we've seen is a literal separation of church and state. Church being the spiritual allegory, and state being the physical, monetary allegory. The UPU, by the way, headed up by the Vatican, all that's stripped away too. The Vatican heads up the UPU, right? Universal Postal Union. The mail has to go through the corporate jurisdiction, so the corporate jurisdiction is gone. Oh, the big ones on the inside, they know what's going on. That's why they're scurrying to hide their assets. You want proof of it, it's easy. HSBC out of London told the Vatican they had 60 days to get their money out of their accounts. And there was an article I was reading yesterday about a lot of accounts getting closed, and make sure you have a copy of the Apostolic Letter. As it was said by the lawyer, that document effectively removes Roman Curia, under which all corporations were created. All corporations. Everything, that means everything registered now has no veil left on it. And as this lawyer pointed out very clearly, emphatically indeed, it's scaring the living shit out of people. It's scaring the crooks. The cockroaches are running.